Wait, what'd you shoot for your 8? Less than me. Can you guys mark that down? Point for Justin. I'll take one for the good guys right now.
Shout out to all the Bowlers Network fans. You know, you were a part of it, and you click on it, keep on board. You can stay tuned to all of the action that's going on live here at the Holiday Doubles. But not just this event, but many events in the future. So make sure you go check out bowlersnetwork.com and sign up and be a member today. More amazing about that, he actually missed it so bad that he made it. Fortunately, it does say spare, so you know, we'll just move along to the next frame.
I almost threw it in the gutter, the last shot. I haven't had more than a 4-bagger since game 1, and you almost threw it in the gutter. On the right side, I didn't.
Can you do that?
I'm trying.
He's been striking a lot.
Yeah. One string.
last night.
I fall like it.
You like the ball, did you?
Got the 260. No, that's not even close. 694 over as a team. Dad had 460 something. I had 230 something. And yeah, we're bowling tonight. Dad had 368 after 5.
Right there.
So he slowed down a little bit the last week, but we'll let him slide for now. You better pick it back up when we start the 5 games tonight. Brandon and Nate also made it. They bowled 470 the last game.
Brandon's on his phone.
I'm actually chasing my sister like very much. Yeah. At 400. At 530. That's gonna be good enough for tonight, but not anywhere near just. Wait, what'd you shoot for your 8? Less than 8. Can you guys mark that down point for Justin? That's twice in the last 3 weeks. I've 8 out of 8. No, maybe not 8. Maybe 7 or 6. But that's okay. I'll take one for the good guys right now.
Any words?
Any words? Well, that wasn't the way that I wanted to end my day, but I will say this. We are a team, and the fact that we've got the score that we've had so far, let's just hope that it continues forward, and we're going to progress on the upward trend. So, just stay tuned. There's a lot more bowling to come, and we're hoping that we're a big part of it.
Oh yeah, a big part of it. Nice.
Okay.
I'm just hoping to be a small part of it. What are they doing now?
Bad.
Well, got to the top 12 for the second time in 4 years. We're fourth coming into today. And we got our Dunkin' coffee in the morning. Cheers to Dunkin'. And it's cold here. It's about
Just a little bit.
It's about 7 degrees outside, and I hope that's the only pin Dad ever leaves today besides striking.
I'm hoping I don't leave that many of them, to be honest with you.
You could leave 7 pins today, and I think that'd be good.
If that's all I shoot at, oh boy, that would be an unbelievable day.
And but nothing else. Like it's only you only shoot 7
Only
pins.
those?
Okay.
All right. As long as you're not going to give me the hook if I leave something a little bit more up there.
No, I had quite the roller coaster block last night. I bowled 290 the first game. We bowled 558, I think, the first game. We bowled a lot. 150, 170, 278 the last game. So quite the roller coaster block on a house shot.
Six Flags would actually enjoy you putting up that new roller coaster.
That was yeah.
There's a lot of design to that.
There'd be a lot of drops and a lot of loops and a lot of circles in a couple of those games.
Yeah, hopefully
To
they're
the bowlers that
eliminated.
made it to the final day, we're going to have a quick meeting down by 49 and 50.
Time to have a meeting and time to go bowl 12 games, round robin match play, total pinfall, determine the winner.
Strike a lot.
Brandon,
What?
that's the outside. This is
Real hard to take the record.
I guess he doesn't want to be in it. So bowling, finished second. Great damn lines. Unfortunately, couldn't catch the leaders, but they got real close at the end between second, third, and fourth. And thanks to this guy having the front 11 the last game, we were able to stay in second, which was a big difference in the money. So nice job.
Hey, thanks.
Yeah.
Brandon's just salty. You know, tournament didn't go the way he wanted it to. Had to shoot too many one-pin spares amongst a bunch of other things, but you know what? It's just going to happen that way. But for us, it actually worked out really good. I think the weekend turned out to be pretty spectacular. Could have been a little bit better with one more place, but I'm certainly not going to take away from the eventual champions. because they bowled their tail off and really, well, at the end of the day, they knocked over more pins than everybody else.
They did.
So,
Yeah, we definitely did everything we were supposed to yesterday. Just didn't fall our way.
yeah. I mean, you know, you can look at it and go, you let one or two shots slip away from you here or there. We didn't give any pins away. We didn't miss spares or anything, or throw shots out the window. You had one or two that you'd like to get back, but you'd only like to get them back because you'd have another chance at another result.
True.
Well, let me tell you something. Everybody in the field would like to have a couple of those back.
Yeah. So, third place finish 4 years ago. Second place finish this year. I'm going to keep bowling with Dad. Sorry, Brandon.
You can get that.
And I'm going to hope next year I can make the cut.
Yeah, this shouldn't be a problem.
Like he hasn't made a cup before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's doing just fine considering he won the Mega Bucks 2 weeks ago.
Well, I am doing just fine. Thank you very much.
Oh, what?
Thank you very much.
Does that mean you're going to have me back as a partner again next year?
Absolutely.
Okay, I keep getting older, you know.
I don't care. You
Okay.
keep striking. Keep striking more and more.
Maybe it's some high-end Brunswick balls, the latest and greatest stuff that they keep coming out with that just keeps allowing me to get better and better.
Like the dark side.
Yeah, that rolled really, really good this week.
Dark side for him, Intel Recon for me. And those were the orbs of choice. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up because we're sitting in the airport. It's Monday morning, flying to Phoenix for 2 days. Vegas. I'm going to Vegas for a day. He's going to watch Brandon bowl. We got 3 clinics coming up. Brandon's bowling in Vegas, and that's what's up next. But for now, that's gonna wrap it up. So,
Actually, before you wrap it up, to everybody out there that watches, please have a wonderful, happy, healthy holiday season.
what he said. So now, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and enjoy your holiday season. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.